First, we'll expose as a REST API. For stage activity, no need to create any connections. Okay. So application.
Okay.
So stage operations underscore table. I'll mention T.
Mhm.
Okay. Here we will select a trigger connection REST API. Okay. So employees. I'll mention employees. Continue. So slash v1 employees I'll mention. So post method. Okay. So response not required, only request. Inline.
Yes, this is to read from FTP location first, right?
No. Just we are exposing as a REST API. If someone
Okay.
enters, we will
Hmm.
write file into the OIC virtual location. Okay. So now I have configured REST API. So someone can access my this one and then they can write. So same way, I'll use stage file activity to write file. Okay.
Hmm.
So write file. Continue. I'll select operation as a write file. So I'll mention name. So stage file we need to everything we need to provide in a codes. Okay. So like I'll mention here emp.csv. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And directory, any directory we can create. This directory will be active only, directory and files will be active only until instance run complete.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we start run testing instance, right?
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
once instance is completed, folder
Uh-huh.
files everything will be created, deleted in the OIC virtual
Okay,
location.
okay. So
Refresh.
when we run the integration, it will be created and it will be available. Once the integration is stopped, it will
Yes,
be gone.
yes. So I'll create a directory with Tejal.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, I have mentioned Tejal folder. So it will create automatically Tejal folder and it will delete once instance is completed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so continue. CSV, continue. So I'll select downloads, OIC, CSV, emp.csv, R, RS, continue, finish. Okay, so I'll map
Hmm.
from the text name. So ID. Okay, state I'll mention to gender, country I'll mention to location, age I'll mention to age only. Okay, mapping forgot, but
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah,
um,
I understand. Yeah.
now I'll add a business identifier. Okay, save. Okay, now we have written file in. We are going to write file into Tejal folder, right? We
Hmm.
can see, we can list out. Okay, by using stage file activity only. Uh, so list file, continue. So I'll select operation as a list files. So it will ask
Okay.
folder
One
name.
is write file and one is list file. Okay.
Yes, yes. Just I will continuing all the
Mm-hmm.
operations.
Yeah.
So I'll provide star dot star. Okay, continue, finish. Okay, save. So we'll go back. Debug mode activate.
Oh, so there is a limitation also for active integration.
Only for 800 integrations only we can limit.
Oh,
So we need to deactivate other integrations.
800 integration is the limit, right?
Mm. In the interview question also they will ask.
Yeah, yeah. So good to know this.
Sorry. Okay. So now we can run this. The body I'll provide capital 1 2 3. So full name Nisha, state code ND, so country IND. Okay, run. Okay, so this is completed. Now file got placed in the
Hmm.
Tejal folder
Hmm.
emp.csv. So we can
Hmm.
list out that file. So even same thing it is telling file name, file type, folder. Oh, okay. List out.
Hmm.
It got list out also. Okay. Now got it right.
Yeah.
Now same will do. Same file will make a zip file.
Okay. What
So
is the business case here?
no, just we are
From a,
practicing all the operations. But sometimes when we are connecting with ERP, we need to make
uh-huh.
a zip file.
Okay. Okay.
So that's why.
We just have to bring it to the cloud, right? To be
Uh,
used by from FTP
yes,
location, bring it to cloud to be used by other application, right? And from cloud,
yes.
ERP will be
And
using it. Right?
when we are yes, when we are loading bulk data into ERP cloud, so we need
Mm-hmm.
to add. We need to make a zip file. So to make a zip file, just for that, I'm creating a one file, and
So
then
cloud
I'll
can be used for migration also from,
uh,
do they use for on-premise to cloud migration also?
yes, we do.
Okay.
We'll see. Okay, so I'll use stage file activity. So zip files, continue. I'll select zip file.
Okay.
So it is asking file name. What is the file name for to zip? So I'll make it emp dot zip. Okay. Now specify the directory to zip in which folder files are
Mm-hmm.
available. So
Mm-hmm.
Tejal folder.
Hmm.
Okay, and zip file in which directory they want to place. Okay, so I'll make Tejal zip folder. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
the Tejal zip folder, we need to place emp.zip file. Okay, so continue and finish.
And can we go and see the directories on the cloud?
No, we cannot. That's why
Okay.
we cannot access
So
virtually.
yeah, yeah.
That's why we can use list
But
files.
how to verify? Only with the active stream only we can verify. Activity stream
By
only we
using,
can verify.
yes, correct. Okay, so then we can unzip that file also. We'll see unzip
But
all
what
that.
if we have a lot of data? Then also we have to use activity stream only. It
So
will be very.
we'll send it to target, right? So
Ah,
target system will confirm yes we have received or not, like that. Okay, so again I'll use stage file activity. We'll mention unzip.
mhm.
Continue.
So you are doing all the operations in one
Yes,
integration.
yes,
So,
yes.
okay.
So it is asking specify the zip file name. So emp.zip. Okay, and specify the file directory in which
Hmm.
directory it has. So again I'll mention
Yes,
Tejal
great, great.
zip folder, it has the
Hmm.
files.
Hmm.
So then specify the directory to unzip. So I'll
Hmm.
mention slash unzip folder.
Okay.
Okay, so continue, finish.
And okay.
Now we'll test in full integration now. So go back, deactivate. So run body. So run. It's straight forward only. So
Yeah.
many places we do zip and unzip and okay. So see now zip, we can see emp.zip has created and zip file has created in the Tejal zip folder. Okay,
Yeah.
and then unzip also, after unzipping we can see inside file names. Yeah,
Right.
emp.csv file is unavailable
Right.
inside unzip folder.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so if you want to send this notification mail, okay,
Hmm.
we can do
Hmm.
that. So after zip file we can send a notification. We have a notification activity. Okay,
Hmm.
so inside notification activity it will ask two address, two mail id. So I can use in my dot sov at gmail.com. Okay, then from mail id. So from is fixed as of now, but so no reply at oracle.com. Okay, so then subject and zip file. So everything should be single quotes.
Okay. Okay.
Body no need to provide any quotations.
Okay.
IT please find attach zip file. Thanks, Nishan. So attachments here we can
Hmm.
add developer mode. So where it is zip response, right? So zip response we have a ICS file. Inside ICS file, we have a file reference. We can drag and drop that file reference, save. Something error.
Hmm.
Okay. So why the expression contains invalid location path undefined. Zip we can send or not? Okay. We'll send right file. Zip I need to change.
Mhm.
Ah, okay. So go back. Okay. Now we'll activate.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So you practice this.
Yeah.
We'll catch you tomorrow.